Hello Foxtecc community, welcome back to another informative video on our educational platform. Today we're gonna dive into a crucial aspect of iOS users, which is how to view significant location summary on your iPhone. So let's just jump right into it. To access the significant location summary on your iPhone, begin by opening up the settings. From there, navigate to the privacy section, so you have to come back to the general, to the main section, and find the privacy and security right here. So once you're there, scroll down until you've spotted the system services. So you should be able to find it in here. So once you come back to the or get to the location services, you should be able to find the system services right there at the bottom. So just go ahead and click on it to get inside, of course. Like that. Now here comes the security step. To access the detailed location summary, you'll need to authenticate using your Face ID or passcode. This ensures that privacy and security of your personal data. So here are some of the things which you have to go through and stuff like this. So you have to get inside and tap on the significant locations, which is right here at the bottom. So go ahead and click on that. It authenticates yourself, and right now I just have to make sure that it is blocked and blurred and everything. So I'm not going to be there, but you can browse through it. There are a couple of records. You can also just clear the history as you wish. So there are some things which you should pay attention to and should know about it, but this is basically how you can view it, how you can find it. You can also turn it off in case you don't need it anymore, but for me you can see a couple of different things. Here's the summary, 62 records and stuff, so I can click on it, clear it if I want to. So that's basically how it works. Okay, so before we wrap up, I need to show you this. So let me open it up like this. So this is the Foxtecc educational platform. I have created it for free, and you can join it for free by clicking on the link down below in the description. And inside you can watch many different courses on video editing, full in-depth dynamic island guide, and in-depth guides for separate apps and stuff. So definitely go ahead and join it right now. You're not going to regret it. It's free, as I said, so there's literally nothing to lose. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe down below. See you guys later in the next future video.